There are three levels of becoming financially independent, and all of them are at different speeds. Level number one, these are side hustles. They provide you with a little bit of income on the side. Examples of side hustle would be becoming a freelancer on websites like Upwork.com or freelancer.com, or selling water at football stadiums or stuff like that that gives you a little money, a little extra income every day. Step number two is medium level stuff that has the potential of growing really big in the long term, but it takes a lot of work and you gotta put a little bit of work every day for it to grow. Examples of that are growing a YouTube channel or growing a TikTok channel, for example, or starting to work in affiliate marketing, for example. All of those things take a long time, but over a certain number of years, you're going to see them grow and become your number one source of income. And step number three are very, very long-term, lifetime sources of income. These are passive sources of income, like investing in the S&P 500, for example, or on real estate. This is where you put the money from your side hustles and from your career and your medium goal level type of sources of income, and you put them here for them to grow and exponentially grow with compound interest. The ideal way of growing wealth in such a fashion is to grow all of those three at the same time: your side hustles, your medium level goals, and your passive investments.